Hi, we're the Barbees. Before we had children, we traveled a lot, both domestically and internationally. Now, with two little ones under 3, we notice that there aren't a lot of videos about luxury family travel for young families. So, here we are.
I'm a medical doctor.
And I'm a marketing professional. So, we decided to put our skill sets together to create valuable content for young families looking to travel to the best luxury resorts and hotels. Also, we want to provide tips and reviews so you're better informed before you even book your flight.
We hope our tips and tricks will help you to find the right destination and make travel with your young children easier.